In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use paddles on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using paddles on a Nintendo Switch is going to depend on which controller you have. For example, PowerA offers controllers with back paddles, such as the Fusion Pro wireless gamepad for the Nintendo Switch. Of course, other models exist that are compatible with the Nintendo Switch, but in this video I'm going to focus on this PowerA controller. If you have a different model of controller with back paddles for your Nintendo Switch and the method that I described here does not work for you, then you will have to search for instructions on your specific controller. Basically, this isn't a process that you are going to do inside of the game. It is a process that you are going to do on your controller. So if you have a PowerA Fusion Pro wireless controller or gamepad, or any similar controller for the Switch with gamepads and game paddles, all that you have to do is press and hold the program button for 2 or 3 seconds on the back of the controller. As you can see here, the program LED will flash to indicate that the controller is in assign mode. Now, all that you have to do once you have held this button down for 2 to 3 seconds and you see the LED indicator blinking is press one of the following standard buttons. So you can press A, B, X, Y, L, R, ZL, ZR, or the D-pad to reassign. After you press one of the following buttons that I've described once, press the advanced gaming button again that you wish to assign and the program LED should stop flashing. You can repeat this process for every single one of the 4 paddles and you will be able to assign them. You can change this at any time and you can reset them by pressing and hold the assign program button for 5 seconds after the LED connection is flashing, as if you were programming a new key. I hope I was able to help you on how to use paddles on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.